So first off, you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Next, we're going to do breathing, noticing our heart rate. So there are different places we can feel our heart rate. One is just right here on our heart, on our chest. So hand on your chest and feel your heart beat. You should feel it go boom, 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 boom. What we're going to do is we're going to breathe for 4 heartbeats. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. So each breath that you breathe in, it's going to be slower every time as our heart goes slower. So breathe in, 4 heartbeats. Breathe out, 4 heartbeats. In, 4 heartbeats, and out, 4 heartbeats. Next, let's go a different place. You can choose under your wrist to feel for your heart rate using 2 fingers. You're going to feel a ball right under your wrist. That's where I like to feel my heart rate. So you can do it on either arm. So same thing. Let's breathe in for 4 heartbeats. And breathe out for 4 heartbeats. Breathe in for 4 heartbeats. And breathe out for 4 heartbeats. Now we're going to look for a heartbeat in a different part of our body. You can go from your earlobe, go down your neck. You can use 2 fingers to feel for your blood. That's your heart rate. The same thing, you can do it on the other side, whatever side you want. We're going to breathe in for 4 heartbeats and breathe out for 4 heartbeats. Each time going a little bit slower. So breathe in for 4 heartbeats, breathe out 4 heartbeats.